Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify themes for customization, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section located on the left sidebar. Click on themes to access the themes management page. Here, you will see your current theme displayed prominently. To explore other themes, click on the Explore Free Themes button. Browse through the available options and find a theme that suits your brand. Once you find a theme you like, click on the Add button. This will install the theme to your store but not make it live yet. To customize your theme, locate the Customize button next to your current theme. Click on it to enter the theme editor. In the theme editor, you can view a live preview of your store. On the left side, you'll find various customization options. Start with the header settings to modify your store's logo and navigation. Upload your logo by clicking the Select Logo option. Adjust the navigation menu to feature your most important pages. Next, move on to the Sections tab for further customization. Here, you can add, remove, or reorder sections like slideshows or featured products. Click on any section to edit its specific settings. You can change images, texts, or even add buttons based on your needs. After adjusting sections, explore the theme settings for more options. In this area, you can customize colors, typography, and even your checkout experience. Make sure to keep your brand identity consistent while making these changes. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click the Save button. To see your changes live, return to the Themes page. Click on Actions next to your current theme and select Publish. Your customized theme is now live for visitors to see. Regularly revisit your theme settings to ensure your store remains up to date. Consider seasonal changes or promotional events as opportunities for further customization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.